Hey guys, here I am again, Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio pair with an additional cat running around in the background. And this is video number 1001. So that thrill of reaching 1,000 lasted almost an entire hour. So we're on to a different job now. This radio is out of a 65 Cadillac Sedan DeVille. It comes from Trey in Bakersfield, California. Trey has sent me a number of jobs, so thank you so much, sir, for your loyalty and for your business, of course. And Trey has requested the modern internal conversion along with the Bluetooth and USB functions. And of course, there's also an aux input in back of the unit on any conversion. So let's go ahead and turn her on and make sure everything works before we send her back. I've got it set to AM at the moment to the one strong station I received. So let's go ahead and turn her on. There's our AM radio.
And I am extremely fortunate.
And while we're on talk radio, I'm going to demonstrate the balance and fader functions.
But everyone who loves his work
Okay, virtual
is fortunate to do so.
front rear fader. Here we go.
It is not a unique.
Fader adjust.
Okay, so
Why so
all the
many
way
of
front,
you
all the way
rated
rear,
your love of your work
front, rear, and let him center.
And I appreciate.
Fader
Time
set.
out. Okay, left, right balance.
And I want to add one.
Balance adjust.
Stay
Okay,
home and take
all the
care
way
of
left,
kids
all the way right. Say something quickly.
are doing the
There's
most
right.
important work.
There's left.
To make a
Okay,
home,
center him.
to be a good spouse,
Balance set.
Okay, let's make sure the Bluetooth goes into pairing mode.
no job compared.
Bluetooth ready to pair.
Okay, so you
Thinking
heard
a
that.
better world.
And let's make sure it plays the music stored on a USB stick. Got my radio commercial right here.
Direct paycheck. That's the only difference.
Alrighty, let's move over to FM, and I have all 5 presets set to stations in my area for a quick test. Okay, now we're on FM.
AGE. Clean note.
And there we go. Everything is working, so she's ready to go back. There's not a whole lot of tests on the radio-only unit. I don't have all that 8-track stuff to go through and all that, so she's ready to go back. And this is probably my last video today. I'm going to spend the rest of the day packing the units that I've done videos on today, and then I'm going to take the rest of the day off and sit mindless in front of the TV all night. So, thanks so much for watching, listening. To reach me for service, you can either call me directly at 928-533-9666, or you can just visit the website that's in the description below. And so thank you very much for watching, listening, and thank you, Trey, for your many jobs from Bakersfield, California, and we'll see you guys next time. Happy Labor Day.